Welcome to the CPC module on the ICD 10cm training. So today's topic is going to be the ICD 10cm. Before that, we need to know what is an ICD 10cm. ICD 10cm has its foundation from the ICD 10, which is the manual that is being published by the World Health Organization. Though we call this in short as an international classification of disease, but actually the full form of ICD-10 is nothing but the International Statistical Classification of Disease and Related Health Problems. ICD-10 is being published by the WHO, whereas ICD-10-CM, CM stands for the clinical modification. So this is actually the version of the United States of America. We are going to code with the ICD-10-CM. So all countries would have their own versions of it, because ICD-10 is a base manual out of which they can develop their own versions. For example, if we say like Australia, we say like ICD-10-AM. It is an Australian modification actually. That is, it is their manual, because they have their own index for reporting the conditions which is prevalent in their own countries.